Right, welcome back this chilly November morning, and I've done it again. History is repeating itself. That is not a stable mount for my camera, and I apologise already for this. I don't know where my good camera is, so I'm just using my phone on a really flimsy mount, so I apologise. This is going to be a really shaky video, but it's just the intro. I promise you it'll get better, I promise. I'll try and sort the stabilisation out in post. Yeah, so, OGs on my channel will know that this all started with me buying a L322 Range Rover after a few beers on eBay. Completely blind, and then just going to get it. Well, sort of happened again, except this time it's a Sports, and I wasn't drunk, I was sober, so I can't even excuse myself this time for the, the effects of alcohol, but there we go. Yeah, it's a 2007 TDVA, and once again it was an impossibly low price. With shipping, I'm all in for about 1,500 quid, maybe 1,600 quid. And you're like, well, that's cheap. That's cheap. It's only got 109,000 miles and all. Of course, there's some issues. And I've not even seen the car. It's being delivered now. I'm in a bit of a rush to get down to my unit to meet the guy of Shipley to drop it off. But the headline issues are turbos, or at least a turbo, and the MOT's run out. But we'll see what else is wrong with it when we get there, shall we? Because this shaky video is giving me a headache. God knows what you think. Has it got enough power to get off? But hey, it's moving. Come on, do I need to push? Right, so this is where it's been left, because it is hemorrhaging oil. Let's have a look at the condition, shall we? Seat's good. Nice interior colour. Probably do with a clean. Stinks of diesel. One thing I noticed is it's from Saxton 4x4, which is funny. For me, you won't get that joke. Okay, how does this function when it's at home? Where's my keys? That's that key. 2 seconds. Okay, I don't know how to open this boot, so we'll leave that. There's probably a button somewhere. Somebody's screaming at me right now. But yeah, I mean, any freebies? What that is? Oh, loads of shite. Cheers, previous owner. Some glove boxes. I mean, it looks nice here, but yeah, it's not driving is the main thing. Oh, the radio's just come on. Didn't want that. Okay, I'll show you what it's like under the hood. Oh, courage. Oh, my garden. Nice. What we've got down here, loads of shite. Doubt there's any history with it, but you know, Sailor V. Okay, oh, it's a fridge with stuff spilled in it. Nice. Rear seats look fairly used. Nice. Oh, right. Let's have a look under here. As you can see, it's some hemorrhaging oil. Okay, so, and they're gone, pretty much. Yep. So, as you can see from the oil everywhere, she ain't happy. She ain't happy. And presumably that's oil coming out of there. Yep. Oil coming out the omnicooler and dumping on the floor, which is nice. Okay. Let's... Where is the intercooler? Is it down on the front there? Nice. How am I going to get it up there? Trial and error, I guess. Maybe I'll roll it down there and then tow it with the Prius. That'd be quite funny. Yeah, we'll see. Alright, I've managed to get it up here. Trick was, stick it in low range, obviously. Then it's fine. I mean, it has no power and it's making horrible noises. I do wonder how much oil's actually in there, given how much is on the floor. But, yeah, okay, let's go over the things that aren't quite great. I mean, it did open the door. These don't appear to work. The buttons on these don't work. Whatever. We've got all this in here. You've already seen how manky it is under there in the old fridge. Grim. Back seats have had many children's in them by the looks of it. They are heated though. So it's a nice spec. Not too bad. I mean, I'm not sure what's happened here, but there's also some clothes, if anyone cares. Got a few DVD, but oh, does it have DVDs in it? I don't know because it's not opening. Maybe I need power for that, I can't remember. Rear bumpers, got a bump, but it's all cosmetics, all cosmetics. Normal boot on these, obviously. Didn't like that. Yeah. I might go check the oil on it, but I mean, cosmetic, it's not bad, really. It's alright. I do wonder if the engine's could have more damage to it than first fault, but let's see. So to make it run, I've got to hold that. To make it run, he's obviously disconnected that from there because it was just probably dumping oil into the intake. But now it's dumped oil all down here, which is annoying. But it is what it is. I might go check the oil actually, just to see what's going on down there, because it might not have much in it, which probably isn't good. But yeah, essentially the turbos are down there, there's another one there. And to remove them, you have to take the body off in theory. But I think I know a way not to, so yeah. Let me check the oil and see what it's like. Right then, I just thought, yeah, I'd do a quick video introducing the car. As you can see, I've actually changed clothes because I'm actually filming this outro after I've just been working on said car. Yeah, but I just thought I'll do an intro video showing the car and like how bad it is, or how good it is, whatever. And yeah, we'll keep the working on it, trying to fix it videos separate, I think. So yeah, I guess let me know what you think down in the comments. Have I done it again? Have I bought a wrong un? Have I done it again? Have I bought a good un? Because I've done both. That's on this channel's history anyway. So yeah, just let me know down in the comments what you think. Can I do this on my own? Can I get these turbos replaced without lifting the body? Is there going to be more things I'm going to find, you know? Obviously the turbos shooting oil through the intakes and stuff is suboptimal. I'm a bit worried about the injectors and things like that. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Please do like and subscribe and all that other YouTube bollocks that I still hate saying, but I have to say it. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.